Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to hide your friends list on Venmo so your social connections stay private and your account is more secure. By default, Venmo makes your friends list visible, which can be a security risk or just something you might not feel comfortable sharing. The good news is, it's easy to change. Start by opening the Venmo app and going to Settings. From there, tap Privacy. Then look for Friends List. Switch it to Private. This makes sure only you can see who your friends are on Venmo. But that's not all. Right below, there's an option labeled Appear in Other Users' Friends List. Toggle this off so that other people won't be able to spot you on their friends list either. This is especially useful if you use Venmo to pay people you don't know very well, or if you just want more control over your privacy. Keep in mind, these changes only affect how your friends list appears going forward, so it's a good idea to review your privacy settings regularly. Hiding your friends and controlling visibility is a small step that really makes your account safer and keeps your transactions more private. If you found this useful, like the video, subscribe for more practical Venmo tips, and drop a comment letting me know which app you want me to cover next.